Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
MP ka Trinamool Congress usaket go khale ulawan ra ya kamat hakabayade baktin ka ba ulat ka jila Meghalaya upagu Chauhan un pendan kam hapo kaying dorbar thawan haka 0 hour Raja Sabha ugo khale ulakdo bahaka dorbar mang tingka ka ba ansalong shen lapentip ba ulat ka jila un Kren ka ktin Hindi bat kani ka de ka bala kershan ru da ka BJP Meghalaya haka ba kala don ru ka jingkam ka ba bakla jong unong yalam ka BJP ha Meghalaya baka Hindi kade ka kentien jong kari lani ka national language. Hakabayade baka niya ugo khale ulaang baka Hindi kamde ka national language, baka official language jong ka Meghalaya kade ka kentien English, bakan top ru ya ki kentien try mulok ka Khasi bat Garo kum ke associate language. Ugo khale ulaang ru bahadu menta kampat don ka jingkan top ya ka kentien Khasi bat Garo ha ka Khyrwit ka bapra hapo ka riti senchar jong kari wala kaladan ka jingdawa. Uniu MP na ka Trinamool Congress hula kudauru ya ka jingpan kam ikilai tali ki an thamai ki bayade ba ka jingpan ngat kandon yek bale ya ki kam be an bat kini ki an ki de ki badan ki kerteng ha ka ktien Hindi bat ki bapen kol mar jing mut bha ugo khale ulapen kan mauru da ka baong ba shabar ka North India ka ktien Hindi kam de ka ktien ka ba de ki klor mut ki we bat ki nong India ki Kren laban rap da ka baong ba ka riti senchar jong kari kala jiet ban pendon kam ya ka ktien English kum kata ka official language haringkat ka ktien Hindi.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, there is a recent event from Meghalaya which I wish to highlight in this August House. At the start of the current budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly, it was announced that the Honourable Governor would deliver his address to the House in Hindi. This was supported by the BJP in Meghalaya, and the Meghalaya leader of the BJP even incorrectly claimed that Hindi is our national language, so what is the problem? Let me highlight here that Hindi is not our national language. The official language of the state of Meghalaya is English. Meghalaya also has a proud linguistic culture that includes the native languages of Garo and Khasi. Despite repeated demands by the people of Meghalaya, as well as my party Trinamool Congress, the union government has not yet included Garo and Khasi in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now, sir, in this context, the Honourable Governor of Meghalaya choosing to address the Assembly in Hindi instead of the state's official language English is nothing but a brazen Hindi imposition and an attempt to undermine the linguistic pride of Meghalaya. So we have recently seen the government pass 3 new criminal laws in Parliament after suspending 146 MPs. For some strange reason, these laws have been given very complicated Hindi names like Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or etc. Let me remind the House here that outside of North India, Hindi is not the native language of crores of Indians. This is precisely why our constitution chose to retain English as an official language along with Hindi. The imposition of Hindi by the union government has even led to an honorable judge of the Madras High Court saying that I don't know how to pronounce the names of these new criminal laws. I'm going to keep calling them IPC and CRPC. Sir, Bangla, which is spoken in my state of West Bengal, is India's second most spoken language after Hindi. Similarly, languages from the south and west like Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Marathi, Telugu and Tulu have their own rich and cultural heritage, and our people take pride in our languages. I said Malayalam. There is a reason that English has been retained as an official language in our constitution along with Hindi. However, the attempts by the current government to forcibly impose Hindi, which is barely spoken by 46% of the population, on the rest of India is a matter of shame. So there is absolutely no respect for local languages. Every new law, every new name that this government gives is given in Hindi for some reason. Are languages of the West, the South and the East not important in this country? Are regional languages to have no meaning? Sir, I would therefore like to appeal that English as an official language must be used for government business that extends to all of India, including non-Hindi speaking states. When our constitution mandates both Hindi and English as official languages, the imposition of Hindi over English and vernacular languages by the government is an affront to our federal structure and shows shocking disregard for states that do not speak Hindi. Thank you, sir.